Hi, I'm Laura, and this is the Riding Board. Today we are going to be doing something that I saw on the internet. I saw this from the Holdnerness family, and I believe they saw it from someone else. I will try to link both videos down below in the description for y'all. So let's just start. This is the marbling pillowcase thing. So I have 4 pillowcases that I have put cardboard in already. I've already washed these, and then we got shaving cream, and then I have 3 colors of fabric dye. These are all things I also saw in both videos. So, and my glasses are going to get darker, so hi, I'm outside. So I'm going to move you all, and let's get started into the video. You can see my knees. Okay, let's get started. So first, we're going to do shaving cream. And then I have black, gray, and purple. So I'm going to add a little first victim. I'm not sure, but here we go. Alright, I'm going to let this sit out and sit for about 15 minutes and just continue doing this. I will see you when these dry. I'm not too confident in this project so far, so see you back in the next step. I am back. You're not probably going to see, but this is hot water. I'm just going to be taking out the cardboard in this and then stirring this for 20-ish minutes. I'm just going to stir this for roughly 20 minutes, and then I will see you back when this is finished. Alright, we are almost done with this, and then it's time to rinse off with cold water. So I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, you see my hose here? I'm just going to rinse these off with cold water, and then I'm going to let these dry outside. And then I'm going to throw in washer and dryer. That's it for today's video. So here are the final results of this. So here's 1, 2, and 4 fell, and 3. Oh gosh, over here, look. 3 and 4. Yeah, this way are 4. I have a kitty now. Just feeling a nuisance. So yeah, so they didn't turn out the way that I wanted them to. Question mark. However, the product still looks pretty cool, and I'll be happy to use these in my bedroom. So things on the internet, A, not as easy as the person makes it seem, and B, you know, give it a try, if you'd like. I like them. It was fun. So yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. Please share this video with anyone you think would enjoy this DIY. And more videos will be at the end card for your choosing. And I will see you next week. Bye!